He was an ancient Greek king of Macedonia who wanted to conquer the world, and the name of the king is Alexander. What is the name of that king? Alexander. Okay. So do rest of the questions by yourself. Come to the chapter 29, that is they play what. Now over here are some pictures that are given, and you have to see the pictures and identify the game that they play. So over here first one is the Joe Root and Virat Kohli. So we all know the game that they play is cricket. Okay. Over here second one is the Lionel Messi and Sunil Chhetri. Now tell me the game or that they play. Tell me. Anyone? Okay. So they play football. Okay. Next is Sania Mirza and Roger Federer. Now the Sania Mirza plays. She is an Indian player, so you must be knowing the game. Which game she plays, or what kind of sport she play. She's a player of. She is a tennis player. Okay. So do rest of the questions now. It's a homework for you. Come to lesson 30, that is superheroes and superheroines. So let's see, a superhero possesses extraordinary or superhuman powers. Now we know that superhumans have extraordinary and superhuman powers and is dedicated to protect the public, in protecting the public now, and it is they do work to protect the public, they save the public. So let's see, number the pictures to match them with the correct superhero or superheroine each one belongs to. Over here you can see some of the images, and it's over here like power ring, Batmobile, motorcycle, and this powered armor suits are given. So you have to write these names, match the names with the comments that are given, the clues that are given over here. You have to put the choose the correct picture with the clue over here. So the first one is a Batman's secret identity is Bruce Wayne, an American billionaire. So we are talking over here about the Batman. So over here there is one thing that belongs to Batman, and that is Batmobile. So we will put number 1 over here. Second one is Iron Man is Anthony Edward Tony Stark, billionaire, playboy, industrialist and engineer who runs a multinational corporation, Stark Industries. Now we are over here talking about the Iron Man. So you can see the picture, the thing that is related to that belongs to Iron Man is the power armored suit. So we'll write 2 over here and do the rest of the questions as homework. Last chapter number 13, that is athletics. Over here are the images given of some of the some of the games, some athletic events. So you have to write the name of these athletic events. So the first one over here you can see, okay, over here the name of this event is javelin throw. These are all Commonwealth games. The second one is the discus throw. In which a man throws a ball to a distance, or a kind of a weight that is thrown to a distance. The third one is a very simple, tell me, as you can see in the image. So the answer for this image is relay race. Okay, so that's it for today. Do all the questions that are being left by yourself in your books, and that's it for today. Thank you class. Bye everyone.